friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside video for the week of September the 8th to the 14th over at Walgreens. What a curbside pickup is, you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, driving to the store and picking it up after your order. About 2 hours after you pick up your order, if there's a Walgreens cash offer, it should enter your account. It sometimes takes a couple hours after you do the pickup, and then you can use your Walgreens cash. Okay, another thing I want to discuss before we get into the deals. A lot of us got this email yesterday, and basically what's happening is ShopMeum and Checkout 51 are merging into one app. Kind of an interesting move, but neither app has really had any excellent rebates in the last couple of months. So just to keep an eye out for this email, and if you have not signed up for Checkout 51, I think they're offering like a $5 credit when you sign up now. So something interesting. And if you missed it yesterday, summer merchandise over at Walgreens hit 90% off. This hasn't happened in years up here. And I got, I think, just under $500 in my haul. It was like crazy amount. And I think I paid like $30 or something like that. So it was really fantastic, including I found a store with the facial tissue that for $1.99. And it's typically like $3.99. So that was really fantastic. I'll link this video at the end in case you want to watch it. Just want to throw something on the table here. With the code FLASH20, it actually expires today, which is the 10th. So if you want to get that extra 20% savings on a $35 plus dollar order, ends today. So move on these deals to SWIT. And there's 2 of them in this video. Deal number 1, we're using it. So we're going to be grabbing 14 Reese's snack size candies. That's a lot, but if you have a big giant sweet tooth, I'm assuming that this is a deal for you. Now, alternatively, if you don't like the Reese's, I think you can also go with the Hershey's snack size or the Skittles. But we can't order 12 or 14 in one flavor, so we have to go 12 and then the 2 for the 14. So some bats and then the regular one. So hopefully that's okay with you. And then we have this Walgreens coupon, which is $1 off 2, and it's going to apply to all of them, along with that magical discount code it's actually applying. So savings on top of savings. And just to show you, we have with FLASH20, $5.60 melting off, and then $7 for the 14 bags coming off as well. So that's some tremendous savings right there. So the overall total is $35, $12.60 melting off with the Walgreens coupon and then that coupon code. Free curbside pickup. This is considered food here in Michigan, so there's no tax on it. The total is $22.40. If you might have $20 in Walgreens cash, throw it in and pay the $2.40. You have your Halloween and Christmas candy if this is something you want to throw in with a little stockpile gift, or if you want to give to trick-or-treaters, or if you want to bring it to your office and be the most popular person. I mean, by all means. Now, I know that chocolate and peanut butter, not everybody's thing. We also have Almond Joy, the Hershey's, and then the Skittles as well. Go through what's attaching with that $1 off 2 coupon and make it happen. Okay, the next deal that we have is deal number 2, and we are going to be looking at this, which is a buy 3, get $5 in Walgreens cash. The word buy is in there, so we got to pay attention to that. And we're going to be throwing in 3 of these body washes for $21. Unfortunately, I checked IBOTTA if there might be some sort of rebate, and I'm not seeing one, so I did look, guys. And we have a digital coupon to go with this guy, which is a 5 off of 3. And the Ibotta rebate is only for Walmart. Okay, so we are at $21, free curbside pickup, tax, $5 melting off, $17.26. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you want. Pay $7.26 and you're getting back $8. 3 for the weekly deal and then 5 for that booster. So it's a deal. You know, if you want to throw in an extra $3 to make it $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it. But the word buy is in there, so rolling your Walgreens cash should work for this one. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 3, and we are going to be looking at 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos. Sorry, it only says 1. Unfortunately, I couldn't really add a ton to this basket, so It is what it is. And we have a 3 off 2 digital manufacturer coupon. Plus, there's the store coupon, which is a 2 off 2. And yes, you can actually stack these two. That's perfectly fine. And then we're also going to throw into our basket 3 of these Maybelline. It's like an eyeshadow for $6.29. It's on the promotion of buy 2, get the third for free. And then buy 2, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So isn't that just lovely? And then we have this digital coupon. So if you weren't able to track down the baby lips last week, make it happen this week with this one. And just to show you the coupons coming off, there it all is. And I also use the code WAG10, $1.16 melting off. The overall total is $22.58. Instant savings right there. We have the L'Oreal Vive and WAG 10. Free curbside pickup, tax, $9 in digitals melting off. The total is $11.59. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.59, go for it. And then you're getting another $5 back for the Maybelline. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at, guys, is a quick little paper deal. We're going to throw in 2 of these Scott's toilet papers for $7.50. We have a digital coupon, and you're also going to go over to Shop Me 'Em because they have the same rebate of $1 back when you buy one of them. Make sure you have it loaded before you go to the store as well to make the deal happen. And you also need a receipt. So when you go to the photo counter at Walgreens, please ask the cashier to run this through a regular register so you can get an actual physical receipt to photograph it to Shop Me. Please pay attention to this step. We're also going to throw in one of these Cottonelles for $5, and it's a little 4 equals 16 pack for $5. And then we have $1 digital to go with this. So if you love Cottonelle, that is one for you. So just to show you the coupons coming off, and then WAG 10 is also taking another 40 cents. Hey, I'll take that 40 cents. Why not? The overall basket is $12.50. And after all of the magic, $10.83. Use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. Get your receipt, photograph it to Shop Me 'Em for that extra $1 back. I mean, it's not the worst deal if you are in desperate need of toilet paper. It's much better than paying full price, that is for sure. Okay, the final deal that we're looking at is deal number 5. You're going to need your best friend loaded, which is a 7 back when you spend 30 on healthcare and wellness. This actually expires on Saturday, so use it or lose it. We're going to grab 2 of these 1-a-day multivitamins, and they're the 170 count, so that is a lot of vitamins, and they're buy one, get one 50% off. And we also have this digital coupon, which is a 6 off of 2. Make sure you have it loaded, but that's a good amount of supplements if you like morning supplements, like vitamins. And then we're going to throw in 2 of our best friends, which are the Reese's fun size candy, 2 of those for $5. And then make sure you have this guy loaded, which is the $1 off of 2. And it's off of those share a size ones, so make sure you have it loaded. Just to show you this, $6.20 coming off with Flash 20, the 1-a-day manufacturer coming off, and then the $1 off 2 digital. The overall total is $37.98. $7.20 is melting off, but you're still at that $30 threshold for the vitamin, spend 30, get back 7, so you're still going to achieve it. Free curbside pickup, no tax, $6 manufacturer melting off. With your debit card, pay $24.78, and then you're getting back $7.37 back. A deal for some multivitamins. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.